Guys, welcome back. Aji do panela khawala se. See, so huge, isn't it?
So big, right?
One family idu panela khawala se aji do. One do khodi ra pala la se, bazar la noy. See, my hubby is a cameraman for today. So idu dia sapa guru and then hubby ra kati diwo. Ishi dia ro moi panawo. Ready ishi dia. Look burn burn. Coconut coke kabo dia aji do de. Only 4 kgs. Look, let's see. The burner dhagabe she helpful asle guys. Sorry. Nale the pila the case there. Man tu paina chana rikshna do na lagi de.
What is she lasting as well?
Thode balala se guys it is not from the market. It's not a broiler. It's a different kind of breed.
Philister.
Yeah. Here we call it Philister. Its meat is better than broiler. It's hard like local. Kasi saya de gibi mola video guys. Dito banana dekabo. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Yeah. So this is for me, leg piece. Manang sabi guys. Mandela sabi guys. Fats to sabi.
Punina khamana su dhamena.
Kam na gori na khama nagun. Moi na thakile ku kam gorna parbo de motabi.
Hey, listen na mujhe.
Aisa na. It's going. In everything he needs my help. Halwi mota mai gya se na hand to hand in hand jawo lage na guys.
Parlevine ko do muda. Parlevine ko na magias na.
Ho jawo.
Ay ay, oru aram sala na ha.
Are chumse do wa. So this is how we got murgi hen. Naga style murgi ka desde guys. Naga manon de nai kadina khai de. This is also for me, stomach. And this leg piece. Iti dita paina khaile do shumi do. Ala lafto na lage. Yes. Kado. This abhi kuchu pata nishina se man sundar no hai. Yesterday I went downstairs and then I found it in the jungle. So I picked it and coordinate lagai na rakhisha. Sundar asna. Back side is abhi man sundar ro. It's purple. Camera de man palna dikhe guys. Maybe purple ase look. So pretty. Pot enar na raksha moi. Hey guys, so buhai dishe ready gorina. Ede chili powder, tingala pani, aru nimok khadina dia put kore ase. After some times we'll add water and later on at the end we'll put garlic and ginger paste banana ligiwo. So now na kore ase dia. Guys, moi dia spring onion sapa kore ase. The machan dia de bola ase. See this one. So I'm cleaning it up to make chutney. Cool, let's be guys. This is a curry, squash pata, and machihan. Let's eat. So this is my plate. খাব দেই উপায় নাই ভোক লাগি আছে